In the vegetable cellar, I have brought vegetables. I am the vegetable seller. I have brought vegetables. Carrots, tomatoes, and potatoes I brought. A bag of green leafy greens. Every color of vegetable I've arranged it beautifully. I am the vegetable seller. I have brought vegetables. Carrots, tomatoes, and potatoes I brought. Cauliflower and cabbage are here. Green chilies and red tomatoes too. Cucumber, onions, and green spices. Every vegetable is delicious. I am the vegetable seller. I have brought vegetables. Carrots, tomatoes, and potatoes I brought. My cart is full of vegetables. Come everyone, buy them. Lentils are also here, rice too. The vegetable market is colorful. I am the vegetable seller. I have brought vegetables. Carrots, tomatoes, and potatoes I brought. I am the vegetable seller. I have brought vegetables. Peas, green chilies, and cucumbers I brought. Cabbage, turnips, and pumpkins are also here. Every vegetable has its own fragrance and color. I am the vegetable seller. I have brought vegetables. Peas, green chilies, and cucumbers I brought.
फूल गोभी और बंद गोभी है, हरी मिर्चें लाल टमाटर भी है, खीरा प्याज और सब्ज मसाला, हर एक सब्जी बहुत मजे की है। सब्जी वाला मैं सब्जी लाया,
Every vegetable is delicious. I am the vegetable seller. I have brought vegetables. Peas, green chilies, and red tomatoes too. My cart is full of vegetables. Come everyone, buy them. Lentils are also here, rice too. The vegetable market is colorful. I am the vegetable seller. I have brought vegetables. Peas, green chilies, and red tomatoes too.
गाजरें टमाटर और आलू लाया।
Subscribe to my channel.